How does our brain remember that we forgot something, but we can't remember what that thing was? When you were born, you were once the youngest person on Earth. The first picture taken of you is also the oldest one. Before the last fact, please subscribe and like this video. If your life had background music, what kind of music would be playing right now? If you can't buy happiness, can you rent it? Crazy shower thoughts. If you clean a vacuum cleaner, do you become a vacuum cleaner? Someone dreamt about you last night and you have no idea. Before the last one, please subscribe and like this video. My dog understands several human words. I don't understand any dog barks. He may be smarter than me. If someone told you you were crazy and you knew you weren't, would that make you crazy? No one has ever been in a fully empty room, because if we're in it, then it would not be called empty. If humans could fly, we'd probably consider it exercise and never do it. Before the last one, please subscribe and like this video. Normally you empty your drink from the top, but when you use a straw, you empty it from the bottom. Someone remembers you for being kind to them when no one else was. Every day someone dreams about us and we have no idea. Before the last one, answer this. Have you ever said, "Hey, stranger," to someone you didn't know? If yes, then like this video. If not, then subscribe. If they mounted garbage trucks with cameras, you could update Google Maps Street View every week.